Let's learn how to rotate or flip video on CapCut PC. First thing first, make sure that you have CapCut downloaded on your PC and that it is working properly. Next step is open a project you would like to add video effects on. In this case, I will create new project. Make sure that you import the video you would like to rotate or flip. You can do that by clicking on the Import button. Next step is to add the video to the timeline. You can either drag and drop it or click on the little plus on the video itself. In order to rotate or flip video, you will need to take a look on the right part of the screen, where you can find different options, including rotate. You can rotate video in 3 ways. First is to use little circle next to the option and by moving your mouse to rotate the video. Second one is to type in the degrees of rotation you would like to make. And third one is to increase or decrease degrees manually. And that is it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.